Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. I thought I'd take some time today to talk to you a little bit about one question we do get a lot with our diesel experts, and it's since I put aftermarket wheels and tyres on my car, my fuel consumption's changed. I want to talk to you in relation to a brand new Prado. So guys, this is a good example. This is a brand new 250 Prado, and we've actually done some data logging over about 5,000 kilometers. What we have seen, this car with its standard wheels and now has also got a 285 17 tyre on it, so a 33-inch tyre, all-terrain. So what's taken place, we put new wheels and tyres in this car, and the increase in fuel consumption has been to the number of about 2 litres per 100. So one thing people think is, I'm going to put an all-terrain tyre in. You've just got to expect some of those tyres, they're a lot heavier, the rims are heavier, a lot more durable, and what that does is increase the weight on the rotating assembly. And then when you're doing that, it creates more load on the vehicle. In doing so, you use more fuel. So just be aware, when you do go ahead, put aftermarket wheels and tyres, in a lot of cases, you will see an increase in fuel consumption.